Good morning, you guys, and welcome to a brand new vlog. Today is Wednesday, June 16th, and I decided I'm going to start my vlog today. This vlog is going to go up on Sunday, so happy Sunday if you guys are watching. Currently laying my hair with this duck because I am going out for breakfast. It's quite messy here, so I'm not sure if you can see, but I'm wearing these faux Gucci slides from Shein. I am wearing my track pants from H&M. I'm wearing this jersey type thing from Zara, which is actually funny because the haul that is going to be coming next week is going to be a huge haul of things that I got from Shein, H&M, and Zara. So you guys will see that. I'm gonna wear this jacket that's behind me, this Sherpa like coat. You guys would have seen it on my Instagram stories. I'm gonna wear that on top. So yeah, it's a very I don't care kind of outfit, because it's gonna be really quick. Just gonna go out for breakfast and then come back. I'm just going out because I need to give my plant some water. We just got to where we're going to be having breakfast. We're going to Bootleggers. We just parked here and walking across the street. From Bootlegger. The breakfast was really nice, but I was a scaredy cat. I didn't vlog. I just like took shots of our food. But yeah, my lips are dry. Can I please have Vaseline, babe? So on our way back, and it's gonna be a work day. But yeah, breakfast was nice. I really enjoyed it. Who's the biggest spender between you and I?
You.
Who is the bigger eater?
You. Are you playing this game or not?
I'm not the bigger eater.
Wow.
Who's smarter?
Me.
I don't understand why you would say you smarter. Like,
as I said, I'm answering these questions on the best of my ability.
the best of your ability is not doing me any justice. Another one. Who's a better cook?
You.
Who can make something happen really quickly?
Me.
But all these questions, Ingati, you're the one that's doing better in everything.
No, I've given you some thumbs up on some questions.
You know, who's more friendly? Very good. Who is more friendly between Nana? Okay. Who's more friendly and who's more approachable?
You are more approachable.
And friendly?
Maybe you.
Why do you say maybe? You
okay,
have to. It's
okay,
definitive.
You. Okay, you.
Yeah. Okay, we are back, and that was our short 5 minutes quiz. Mostly lies, but yeah, it's based on an individual's perspective.
Which is very objective.
Yeah.
It's not even as objective, it's very objective.
Okay. The weird thing about this tea thing and the responses I was getting about the teas is the fact that I'm actually a coffee girl, but I do enjoy some tea, but I'm very big on coffee. But coffee is not something that I can have very early in the morning, so I have to opt for tea for something hot. Okay, you guys, I just thought I'd sit down, plug down, and have a chat with you guys. Yeah, we finally reached 2,000 subscribers, which was a goal that I've had for quite some time. but I didn't realize that goal as fast as I wanted to realize it, because obviously I wasn't as consistent as I needed to be on YouTube, so I couldn't really expect to reach that goal if I wasn't being consistent. I came up with a plan in this notebook over here regarding my content and regarding where I want to take my content and what I'm going to do to actually get it there. Yeah, over and above, I just want to be, as a brand, I just really want to be authentic. I want to be authentic, and I know that authenticity is something that you can't fake. You are authentic or you are not authentic. If you are inauthentic, rather work on yourself as a person so you can come across authentic. But it's not something that you want to voice. You don't want to say, I am authentic. You would rather people feel and know that you're authentic as opposed to you preaching it. You don't want to say, I have integrity. You would much rather someone see it for themselves, you know? So I kind of want to build on those things where I don't have to preach it, I don't have to say it, I don't have to say it out loud, but it's easy for people to experience that and to feel that and be like, okay, cool. When we think of Mbali, when we think of Mbali beauty, when we think of Kimberly, this is what we think of, authenticity. Because yeah, I think that's the kind of thing that I want to do. Means into that I want to do, but I'm really excited for where Mbali beauty is going. I'm excited for where my channel is going and where my YouTube is going, and I'm excited to look back for the next 6 months, to look back and see the amount of growth that has happened, because I am absolutely sure that a lot of growth is going to happen. A lot of things are still going to come. So I think I'm going to start like slowly documenting it in my videos, because I think I've been passive for all these years that I've actually been on YouTube, and I've been like into being creative, into makeup and recording videos and all of that. I've been really passive about everything, and because I've been passive, a lot of trains have missed me. But I'm at peace about it, because sometimes you pray for something and you want something and you long for something to come to you, but then you're not ready and you're not positioned for it. And had any of the things that I wish to come in future come any earlier, I would not have been ready for it, and I would have fumbled that bag. And you much rather want to wait and be ready for something than to get something when you're not ready and actually mess it all up. So I'm grateful, I guess. I'm at peace about it. But yeah, the world better watch out, because I am coming for it all. Not in the mood to cook, so I just ordered some things from Checkers, and I'm gonna make big feta pasta. Just put it in the oven and that's it, because I don't feel like anything else.
Yeah.
Friday evening, and I just come from the mall. My work day is done, but I'm gonna go back do some work, but I'm gonna do that just before I'm gonna edit all the footage that I have so far. So the last I saw you guys, I remember saying, getting the ingredients from Checkers and saying that I'm gonna be making my baked feta pasta. Didn't happen. Ended up getting Nando's, to my regret. I don't know, Nando's is really not the place for me when it comes to takeout. As you guys know, Fridays are burger days, so I am about to make some burger and chips, like just a regular quick thing before I head back to work. I haven't eaten all day. I'm not really feeling the best, and I'm not sure why. I did cut out sugar, and I am intermittent fasting and all of that. I don't know if it's because of that, because I have like a striking, not like really striking, but I have like a headache and my body is really sore, and I don't know what it is. But I only had one meal today, and that was leftovers. Oh, by the way, the clip before this was on Thursday, yesterday. I basically asked my IG followers what they would like me to make, and I recorded it. So that was yesterday. That's all I did. I didn't feel like coming on camera or anything like that. So I am on my way to my hair appointment. I just finished getting ready. I literally did my makeup in like 15 minutes. I don't know if it's looking right, but whatever. Straight after my hair appointment, I'm going to the market with my friends, and that's why I needed to get everything done and not just like go and to the hair lady. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I know I'm gonna do cornrows, but I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I will catch up with you guys there and catch up with my friends. I'm currently having I didn't have any breakfast, so I'm having this tea. This is a honeyed ginger tea with lemon from Discam. This tea is so good, guys. It's a little bit too sweet, which is very weird for me, very weird, but it tastes really good, and I feel like it does whatever it's supposed to do. So annoying. But anyway, so I finished my hair and Minette did an excellent job. I'm gonna leave her details on the side of my screen over here. She charged like 300 bucks for this over here, and it is so neat and so good. I've always wanted this hairstyle, but I wanted to avoid it because I say I have a Batman hairline but it actually came out looking pretty good, so I'm really happy. One thing about my friends, they will be late. I'm literally chilling
including
here.
you, baby girl.
Don't listen to that. Those are lies. They will be late. We basically kind of on time because we said we're gonna meet at 12, because I estimated that I'm gonna be done with my hair at 12. But now it is it's 10 past 12, which is not bad. Like we've gone the 3-hour mark already with being late. And then my friend,
That group is not grouping.
I said that Let Roop does not know it's Aisha. One thing about Let Roop. from a biscuit mill, but now we're going to Jerry's Burger in Short Market Street. Kitchen because the lighting is really good here. But anyway guys, I am finally home, and this is literally all I've wanted the entire day, is just to come home, get undressed into my PJs, do some work and chill with some tea. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna change, take off my makeup, do all of those things and chill. Today was a really fun day. Got my hair done. Like I said, I'm gonna leave my details, the details to me net down like on the side of my screen, and I'm also gonna leave it down below. So if you are in the Cape Town area, she's very central, she's in Cape Town CBD, definitely make use of it. And this was like 300 bucks. But other than that guys, I'm just gonna wrap up. I'm gonna edit this video so that it can go up tomorrow. Thank you so much for staying tuned to the vlog. You do know that there is gonna be a video next week. Thank you so much for 2K. Thank you for sticking to the end of the vlog. I will see you guys in my next video. Please do enjoy your evening and enjoy your Sunday. Love and light to you and yours. Bye my babes.